Hello guys, so I'm cooking today. Today is Sunday, probably the 3rd of June, and I didn't check, to be honest, and I'm cooking this chicken that comes from Empire natural chicken breast, and the date on it, I hope you can see it, because I want to make sure you see it. It's June 7th. Boy, oh boy, why this thing is not show. Okay, June 7th, as you can see. And I tell you, this thing has been cooked for 2 hours. Right from the beginning, the smell was of a pork. Horrible smell all the way. My whole apartment got stinks. Simply stinks. I have all open windows, and still this is horrible. Still this is horrible. Of course I'm not gonna eat this because I would be afraid that I'm gonna get sick. By now it's mushy. Yeah, oh, horrible smell. Now this is kosher. Does anybody know what this really means? Like really? Like here, you see? It should say kosher. Does it? Does it? I just seen somewhere, but now when I need it, yeah, kosher. See? So my question is, what I don't get, because obviously I'm not getting something. Does kosher chicken should smell horribly like a pork that I don't know for how many years I don't eat? Because still it's good until June 7th. So what am I not getting it? That's the question for all of you before I throw this to the garbage. Thank you.